Hi everyone, welcome to Tectide. Today, we're exploring creative inventions that will soon change the world. Get ready to discover the groundbreaking innovations set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. From futuristic gadgets to game-changing technologies, these creative inventions are pushing the boundaries of possibility. Join us as we delve into the visionary ideas and breakthroughs that promise to shape the future in exciting new ways. Amplla Hussechuck Shield. The Amplla Hussechuck Shield is a modern twist on traditional firefighting equipment, designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. This innovative shield combines the practical aspects of a fire extinguisher with the defensive properties of a protective barrier. When a fire breaks out, the Hussechuck shield can be quickly deployed, not only to extinguish flames, but also to provide a physical barrier against heat and debris. Crafted to seamlessly blend into home or office environments, the Hussechuck shield is as much a piece of design as it is a safety tool. Its sleek and stylish appearance means it can be easily integrated into various settings without compromising on decor. The shield's compact size and lightweight nature make it easy to handle, ensuring that it is always within reach in case of an emergency. With the Amplla Hussechuck shield, safety and style come together to offer a practical solution for modern spaces. Holo Tile. Meet the world's first omnidirectional tiles. Created by Disney Parker, these tiles are specially designed for VR technology, meaning if you walk around wearing a VR glasses, it will feel as if you are actually walking there. The tiles can also be used as a dancing floor. To control it, you get a remote control which you can use to move any object on the tiles from one side to the other, which is really amazing, isn't it? Solar Container. Our next invention is Solar Container. Yes, you heard it right. It is a solar system that can be folded and taken anywhere. It looks like a container after folding, and that is why it is named Solar Container. Although the point is that not easy, but a best option for solar power in any harsh environment. It does not require an expensive vehicle to carry it. This system can be remotely unfolded after being placed on the ground. And when it is fully expanded, it is about 394 feet long, giving you a total of 140 kilowatts of power. This solar system is perfect for small construction sites, medium projects, or personal use. Can be conveniently used in residential homes and some electronic devices like electric cars, bikes, or other extreme charging purposes. WAHU. That's a small step for man, but a giant leap for fashionistas. Meet the WAHU sneakers. The smart footwear that stands out from the competition with its innovative technology. These sneakers are designed to learn and adapt to the wearer's walking style, gradually collecting data via an app and adjusting the cushioning accordingly for maximum comfort. The soles feature mini air cylinders that can pump air, providing up to 2.5 bar of pressure, higher than the typical 0.8 to 1 bar in a soccer ball. Perfect for both jogging and running errands, these sneakers eliminate the need for switching shoes throughout the day. Plus, you can track and brag about your progress within the app. The design is unisex, making them a versatile choice for anyone. Each pair comes with a wireless charging platform, lifetime access to the app, and membership in a closed Facebook group where you can share feedback and suggestions with the designers. The price starts at $209. Eco Runner 13s. Imagine a car designed to break boundaries and set a world record. Meet the Eco Runner 13s. This innovative vehicle is on a mission to drive over 2,056 kilometers on less than a kilogram of hydrogen, aiming to become the world's most efficient hydrogen-powered car. What's remarkable is that this groundbreaking project is the brainchild of a team of Dutch students. To achieve this ambitious goal, the Eco-Runner XIII boasts advanced aerodynamics and features specially designed tires with a friction coefficient 300 times lower than standard ones. This compact and lightweight car not only represents cutting-edge technology, but also serves as a symbol of what the future could hold for sustainable transportation. The team hopes that their work will inspire both individuals and companies to explore the potential of hydrogen as a clean energy carrier, contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. The R2V1. An interesting fact about the RTUV1 robot is that its creators received funding through a European Union program supporting the development of innovative technologies. While it may not boast a flashy design, this agricultural robot is packed with functionality that significantly eases the workload for farmers. It's an affordable solution designed to automate various farming tasks, from analyzing and harvesting crops to weeding. Weighing in at less than 220 pounds, the RTUV1 is compact yet capable. Its tires are 4 inches wide, allowing it to maneuver effectively in different terrains. The robot is equipped with 4 satellite navigation systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou, offering impressive accuracy within plus or minus 0.4 inches. Powered by Intel Core i7 processors, the RTUV1 operates autonomously, processing data independently without needing a constant network connection. It can distribute fertilizers, collect samples, and more, all while moving at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. This makes the RTUV1 a highly efficient and versatile tool for modern agriculture. Kneeseat. Construction work, especially tasks like installing tile flooring, often requires long hours on one's knees, which can lead to discomfort and health issues. Recognizing this problem, a German company has developed the Kneeseat, a mini chair designed to make these tasks more comfortable and safer for workers. The Kneeseat positions the hip and ankle at the correct angles, reducing the strain on the knee joints and providing support for the back, neck, and shoulders. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it weighs just 1.8 kilograms, making it easy to carry around the job site. The chair is also equipped with straps to secure the legs, ensuring stability during use. Additionally, it features special inserts that protect surfaces from scratches, making it suitable for delicate floors. Priced at $40, the Kneeseat offers an affordable solution for construction workers and DIY enthusiasts alike, helping to prevent knee strain and promote better posture during extended periods of kneeling work. It's a small investment for a big improvement in workplace ergonomics and comfort. Kickit Team Tennis. Next up, we have a fun and lively game that's sure to bring out the competitive spirit in everyone: Kickit Team Tennis. Originating from Hungary and popularized in Sweden, this playground game is perfect for both kids and adults alike. The rules are simple, but the gameplay is exhilarating. 10 players are divided into 2 teams, and the action kicks off. As the game progresses, it speeds up, with balls changing positions randomly, adding to the excitement. It's a fantastic way to get everyone moving and having fun, making it a favorite for playgrounds and parks. The unpredictability and fast pace of Kickit Team Tennis make it a thrilling experience for players and spectators alike. It's a testament to the creativity of its designers, who have crafted a game that's as entertaining as it is engaging. So friends, have you ever played Kickit Team Tennis? Or are you itching to give it a try? Let us know in the comments who's already a fan or who's ready to jump into the action. Bombora Mwave. The Bombora Mwave project is a remarkable step towards harnessing the power of the ocean for sustainable energy. Dedicated to efficiency and environmental friendliness, the team behind Bombora has developed an innovative device that converts wave energy into electricity. With a substantial investment of $13 million, they've successfully created a test version capable of generating 1.5 megawatts of power. The principle behind the Bombora Mwave is elegantly simple. As ocean waves create pressure fluctuations, air within the device's rubber membranes is set in motion. This movement then rotates a turbine, generating electricity. Notably, these rubber membranes are the only external moving parts of the entire unit, making the system both efficient and durable. The current 1.5 megawatt station is quite large, measuring 75 by 15 meters. Beyond this, the Bombora team is also exploring the potential of integrating wind turbines to further maximize the energy output of each location. The global offshore energy market is expected to reach a staggering 500 gigawatts by 2050, and innovations like the Bombora Mwave are paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future. SKYPAK V1. Next, meet this unique jet vehicle. This jet with 6 propellers can easily carry a person from one place to another. It was created by an engineer named Daniel Gant. In particular, such a jet vehicle will be of great help to rescuers, wind turbine technicians, firefighters, and emergency situations. Its power source includes a lithium polymer 50-volt battery, a 12-volt electric motor that provides 112 horsepower. Also, some more electronic components are used in this vehicle, which can easily fly with a weight of about 41 kilograms. While this SKYPAK V1 can run for about 2 minutes on a single charge, the upcoming SKYPAK X will be able to run for around 30 minutes, according to its manufacturer. Cryptide sneaker. Many of us have seen or used different types of sneakers, but today I will show you this ergonomic sneaker, which is designed like a Cryptide, that is, an animal's foot. Basically, it is made for running purposes and places where soil temperature is relatively high. Also, the 3D printing used to make it looks as strange as it is comfortable to wear. The sole of the shoe is designed in such a way that if you run with your feet, it will re-energize you, so you can run longer with less energy. Also, the upper part of the shoe is designed in a somewhat net style, which will act as a ventilator, and you can stay in it for long periods of time without any problems. So looking forward to seeing some pretty cool and advanced label sneakers in the future. LUMEN. With 40 million blind people and 28,000 guide dogs, LUMEN tackles the problem with these glasses. Inevitably, these glasses will guide you like a companion. Actually, these glasses work by relying on voice commands. For example, if you say the name of a place, it will guide you there. They will also help you with shopping, know where and people, which will act like a magic torchlight for a blind person. This device incorporates high-tech communication technology, which is quite helpful for a blind person. Being very compact in size and lightweight, anyone can use it very easily. These glasses are also considered to be the best invention in the world. You will be more surprised that these glasses have been tested in about 20 countries. The company has also received a MedTech award for its efforts, which is the high-tech world for glasses in the second half of this year. Like an Oscar in clinical trials.
Hey Lumen, take me home.
ATOUN Model Y. Lifting heavy objects is always a difficult task, and if we lift a heavy object too quickly, it can hurt our back or legs. And those who regularly work with such mercenaries, they have many problems. So this gadget is specially designed to solve this problem. With this, you can easily lift the cargo. This device can be used by export workers, construction purposes, even agricultural workers. This Y-shaped device should be set on your back, then it will support your backbone, and when you want to carry heavy weights, this device will provide back support and muscle support so that you can easily lift heavy objects. This kind of device is made for those who need to carry heavy things at work. You can give a like to the video for this amazing invention. Kinetic art sculpture. Created behind our thoughts, world's largest kinetic sculpture. Spanning 53 feet, this extraordinary sculpture was designed by installing nearly 3,000 individual tiles, which create specific patterns. And these tiles are controlled by a powerful computer, and their movements depend directly on the speed of the ocean waves. The computer analyzes the movement of the water and sends signals to the tiles. Also, if the sea is stormy, the sculpture tiles will start to sway on their own, and if the sea is calm, the tiles will also stay in place. Monocab owl. The monorail gyroscopic transport was first presented to the public in 1909, but for some reason it could not be implemented. Today, almost 115 years later, some engineers at OWL University have started working on the concept, and this project is named Monocab Owl. It is planned to use to implement an active cabin and gyroscopic stabilization and autonomous electronic drive. Unlike other similar monorail structures, this transport vehicle balances on a single rail without any mechanical support. One cabin accommodates up to 6 people and can be combined with other cars into similar trains. The interior of the monocab adapts to the individual needs of passengers in different locations. In particular, configurations are possible for accommodating wheelchairs, bicycles, voluminous luggage, or a fully cargo version. It is expected that such transport will become an alternative to unprofitable railways in rural areas.